Hi, I wanted to make a short video about using the generic I/O. It's kind of a cool feature and lets you create functions that turn outputs on and off and things like that, and tie functions together so that one feature can trigger another feature. So what we're going to do is we're going to trigger the check engine light if knock retard is greater than some amount. This is something we've done in the chips, and it's pretty easy to do in the ecuGN. Now in the ecuGN, the check engine light is controlled using the CAN out outputs because it's the XIO chip in the ecuGN. That's the chip that does the extra analogs in the scan master data stream. So it's the CAN out outputs that we use for that. There are two that control the check engine light. By having two, that lets us control the check engine light using two different functions without having to play logical games of tying things together. And I'll show you that in a moment. The aux LED on the front of the ECU is also controllable in the same fashion. So we'll go into check engine light, and we'll see how the light output is set to CAN out 15. CAN out 15 and 16 are the ones that control the check engine light. It's an either or thing, so we'll leave this one set for CAN out 15, and then we will use CAN out 16 for our other purposes. So we'll go into Advanced Engine, Programmable On-Off Outputs 2, which is where the CAN outs are, and we'll select CAN out 16. We'll enable it, which turns this green here. We'll power on value, that's the initialization, we'll leave that off. And active value, we'll leave that on. This is the normal way things like this are done. So that when these conditions activate, it will turn that output on, and it will turn the check engine light on. Set this to knock retard. You can set it to any one of these, of course. I can spell. Knock retard is the one you want. We'll set it to, say, 6 degrees with 1 degree of hysteresis. We can add additional conditions, ands and or, and RPM greater than something, or and TPS greater than something. We're not going to do that here, but that's easy enough to do. So CAN out 15 and 16 are the check engine light. CAN out 13 and 14 are the aux LED on the front of the ECU, and this is all there is to it. Thank you very much.